Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to change the text density and spacing in your Gmail account. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to change density and spacing in your Gmail on your desktop, then I will show you how to do this. First, you have to log in your Gmail account. After that, in right side you will find here this settings gear icon. Click on that. Here you will find density. In this density you will find three options: default, comfortable and compact. You can select as per your choice. When you click on this, you can notice some of these changes in this font. Text density, you can see when I select compact, the density has been changed. That's it guys. So in this way you can change the text density and spacing in your Gmail account. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.